Toby, where are we going? Where are we going? Hi. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Alright. You gonna let me hook this up now? You gonna let me hook this up now? Oh goodness, he's so excited. He's so excited. Wow. Alright, move your butt. Your butt. I know, bud. Hold on. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Oh goodness. Alright. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Alright, kiddo. Hold on. Let's see. Probably. That was too high up. Wrap it around. Yeah, that should work. Alright, you ready to go? You ready to go? Huh? You go for a ride? Toby. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Go. Right. Let's get your butt in. I didn't take the whole thing off. My bad. I'll give you a different necklace. There you go. Good boy. Alright, Toby. You ready to go? You ready to go? He's like, yeah, lady, let's go already. Okay. Turn my Traxxas Explorer on. Don't have to adjust my seat. Might have to adjust my camera though. Alright. And we're off. Do-do-do-do-do. Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and it is a beautiful Saturday morning. So I absolutely had to take Toby out for a ride. So that's what we're gonna do. And don't tell Dad, but off camera, I got a little something for Toby. You'll see what that is here in a little bit. But right now, we're just gonna enjoy the ride. Alright. Oop, a little bit of a bump, Tobes. It's a pretty spot, huh? Yeah? All right. Oh my goodness. How was that? How was that, Toby? Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. All right. So, like I said, I got a little something for Toby off camera. It's gonna be our little secret. Huh, Toby? Oh, there we go. Ooh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. We got some ice cream. I don't know why I brought a fork. You don't need it. All good stuff. Yeah, I'll tell you what, nothing's better than having some ice cream for breakfast. Yum, 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 yum. Let me try this fork anyway. Give me a little bite. Oh, you got a little something there, buddy. There you go. There. Oh, delicious. It's so good, huh? Yeah. Alright. I don't want to give you too much. But you got a good portion, huh? Yeah. Oh, look the rest of that. Nom 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 nom. Good boy. He's a good boy. Oh. Oh my goodness. That's a pretty spot, huh? It's a pretty little spot. We got some water over there. I don't see any birds this morning. You see any birds? No? We got the sun poking up over here. Yeah, super pretty. Oh, I know. You want some more ice cream. I know. I know. You can have some more later. Oh. Alright. You ready to go? Oh. No, I don't mean like get out. Ready to go back? You gonna go home? Good boy. Oh, oh, oh. Where are you going? Wanna get out for a second? Alright. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's like, I'm a happy, happy boy. I'm a happy, happy, happy boy. Huh. You can't go very far, can you? Can you? No. Oh, fun fact. Not super important, but I did my nails again. And they have this cool, like, holographic effect. So they're, like, purple and green depending on the lighting. Oh. Alright, Tobes. Let's go. Running out of battery life. Running out of battery life! Alright. Come on, up. Good boy. Good boy, he's the bestest boy. Boop. Stay there. We'll be back home in a minute. Come on. Boop, boop, boop. He said no thank you. Boop. You're ridiculous. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I don't want to get your nose. Ah, I win. I win. I win. All right, let's go. Oh, goodness. And she stuck the landing. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure that me and Toby went on. If you did, give it a big ol' thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe because we've got all sorts of content for anyone and everyone that's interested in e-bikes. Until next time, drive safe.